Hello viewers, subscribers and fellow RC pilots. Stuart here at Stuart Warren RC for a very quick and dirty update for you on this stash of models behind me. Now, you know that I'm all about the second-hand stuff, and especially when they're bargains. And there was an old gentleman nearby in The Hague this weekend that was having a big clear out of like 30 and 40 years worth of stuff. I went along with a few others and helped him out clear out some of the stuff. I also got some good stuff for myself. And whoop, weather's a bit crappy out here today. And I want to just quickly run through what I got, because I'm really quite pleased. And, well, let's go ahead and shoot through it. So, what do we see? Quite a lot, actually. Now, I paid around 500 euros for all of this. I think a little bit more. And, I mean, if you look at what we got here, start off with. This is a Saito 300T. It's the first iteration of the 300. Because it's got the carb facing upwards. The later TL, as I understand it, had the carb facing down, but still a beast of an engine. Now obviously this is very, very grimy, but I very much look forward to stripping this down, replacing the bearings. It does still turn over, but oh, it's really gummed up with castor oil. I need to replace these covers on the little rods there as well. But that should be a good engine. I was actually thinking if I can get that working well, which I'm sure I can, if I keep it, that could go in the Spacewalker 1/3 scale. 50cc size this engine, that would be beautiful for that. Not only that, but hey, look at this. This is an old Robbie Super Cub. Glass fiber fuselage and built up wing. The engine is, the airplane is not of much interest, it's very old, but look at this. That is a Gemini 160, the very same engine I already have, and that still turns over. I'll probably need to replace the bearings on that too, but that's beautiful engine, so I look forward to stripping that down as well. I'll probably keep this one and sell on my other one that's already running. And then I got this biplane. It's a composite fuselage. It's got a Saito in there, if you can see there. Don't know what size it is though. I think it's around 80, maybe even a 90. But this one's actually in very, very good condition. Most of them were junk and were broken airframes, like this quarter scale Texan that you see here. But this one's actually pretty good, so all this needs is a check, and that could be flying. I don't know what it is, but I kind of like it. So we'll see. Maybe I'll keep it, maybe we sell it. Then this thing was just on the front of an old sports model, so I took my saw and I hacked off the firewall, and that is a Saito 80. Now of course this is extremely dirty and grimy, as you can see there. It barely turns over, but another good restoration project there. I do like the Saitos. And oh, got these air top wheels. These are made in France, and I've got the hubs for them as well. He just threw those in. They were off a big undercarriage that he had there from a crash model. I do love big wheels. And then I got this pretty little thing. This is an electric glider. I've got the towel for it as well. And it's brushed and it's got very old servos in, but it's all completely good to go. I quite fancied a nice little glider for myself. So anyway, quick update. That's pretty much it. Really, really pleased with this haul. I'm looking forward to restoring this one, checking out that one, and restoring that, and restoring the Saito as well. And yeah, this one we'll see. But for the money, I'm very, very pleased, of course. And it's a real shame about this Texan, because this is a beautiful quarter scale model, and he's done a really, really nice job of building it, sliding canopy and everything. But you can see from the age, it's got to be at least 25-30 years old. So the fuselage will go in the bin. I'll probably just cut it off there and then do something with the engine. So there we are, quick and dirty update on my quick and dirty purchase of my dirty engines, but they are gems. Really, really looking forward to seeing those up and running and on the bench first to be cleaned. So look out, maybe there'll be a video for that later on as well. But for now, this is me. Crappy weather, not flying weather at the moment, so if you can get out and be safe. I had a mask on when I was there, and grab some bargains. There are definitely still some bargains to be had. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Please like if you like, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.